You scared the crap. Oh shit. Alright, wait. I'm gonna situate myself. Just like this. Alright. You ready?
Maybe. Hey.
Hey.
Alright, we're gonna go.
We're gonna go? Two different perspectives?
No, I kinda got you.
Alright, well I've got the floor.
I'm ready for like some ride.
Oh yeah, the guy that was pulling the cart before, right? So welcome to Walmart, guys. The thing. Wait, hula hoop! I want it. Get me the hula hoop right there. Oh, I'm still rolling away from you. Freaking hula hoop.
What happened to your flower?
Oh no, I love my flower. We have to go back and get it. It's over. It was back in the toy aisle where we had the sword fight. Oh no, I'm gonna crash. Oh, I crashed. I'm sorry. I've got a nice view of your ass though.
Guessing not.
Why? We have to get up. What?
Get up.
Falling.
Well,
You took it from us.
there goes our fun.
Aw, well, we have to go back and get my phone.
Step one. They can't stop me today. Step one, I'm gonna get to Walmart.
Okay, well, we need like a bunch of steps if we actually want to get kicked out. Wait, where's my... I want my beautifulness.
The guy was just like this. He was just like... I was like...
Did you get that on camera?
I think I did. I don't know.
I can't, wait, my basket, is it gone forever?
I think so.
Oh no, the flower I found I was gonna give to somebody. Oh.
Teenage, she knows it.
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Alright.
Well, no, that guy was fucking gay.
This is depressing. They didn't even... Yeah.
Seriously, I'm having like grand time.
Well, at least we'll know that we can actually get kicked out of the store and not like Home Depot.
Home Depot doesn't give a crap.
No.
It's more fun though, we had whatever we wanted.
Yeah. Oh man, I miss my cart. This is a sad day.
It is a sad day.
It is a sad day. I miss my cart.
I know.
Okay. And I miss my flower.
Your flower?
I miss it.
You miss it?
I miss it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'll find you another.
Okay.
We'd have to steal it and then run out the door with it just to get
Okay.
something to do.
Hey.
Hey.